Welcome to Tiny Minds Toy Time, where calm play sparks big imaginations. Let's explore today's adventure. A mystery box. I wonder what is inside. It's Skye from Paw Patrol. Oh yum, a tray of ice cream. It's Bluey. Oh, a blanket for a picnic. And a bunch of bananas. And the letter P for picnic. Bluey and Skye are going to eat a bowl of ice cream and some bananas on their picnic. Who would you want to have a picnic with? What would you bring to your picnic? What a delicious picnic!